This is a label file for FoxPro. It defines the layout for printing labels from the database. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the layout. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small LBX errors. Take a shortcut and download now. An LBX file is associated with FoxPro, a database management system and programming language. It typically stores label information, such as the layout and content of labels used for printing addresses or other data. These files work in conjunction with other FoxPro database files to provide a complete solution for managing and presenting data. LBX files contain a structured format that defines the dimensions, fields, and formatting of labels. They are often linked to a database file, DBF, that holds the actual data to be printed on the labels. The LBX file specifies how the data from the DBF file should be arranged and displayed on each label, including font styles, sizes, and positioning. The essential opener for the LBX structure is Microsoft Visual FoxPro, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can show basic information, but fully understanding the data requires the program that created it. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your LBX file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual FoxPro is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If your LBX file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If your LBX file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of 3 predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, use Visual FoxPro. Open the corresponding .dbf data file in Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Next, check associated files. Ensure the corresponding .dbf data file is present in the same directory. Finally, rebuild the index. Use the FoxPro command rindex or pack to force the program to automatically rebuild a clean .lbx index file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.